Alright, what's up guys? Probably can't see me, it's completely dark. Jared got a new car, and so we're currently waiting for him. I actually heard him go by. He's lost once again. But once he's here, I'll show you what car he's got. And I think we're gonna go for a little ride. His original Subaru is in the shop. It's getting a motor build done. But his new car should be here any minute. What's up?
Damn, it's so bright.
It's the porn light.
Already painted the diffuser black. I guess already.
Alright, so it's a turbo Forester.
You.
Jared finally has a turboed car. Right?
That's not mine.
Oh, it's not yours? Family car?
Yeah.
So it's like the fourth family Subaru now?
Yeah.
Subaru family.
Version 7 STI wheels, Brimbos. That fitment though.
Why do people always complain, why do I have to film at night?
That's a JDM grill.
Okay.
JDM scoop. You know, it's not that much bigger.
Throwing 04 on there.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Bike racks.
Rally armor mud flaps, the floppy kind. You know.
What exhaust?
Miltech?
Okay. Oh yeah, you can see on top. Barely.
Sounds pretty good.
Just basic.
Yeah. Rally Tech tow hook, you know.
Oh, okay.
Sponsorship from Rally Tech.
Okay.
Got the kind of stickers made by me.
You made the outline too?
No.
Oh, okay.
You want a sticker? I have some.
Almost down for stickers. Gotta rep the.
Super Forester. Yo.
You can definitely smell that.
Oh yeah, now you can. Just sitting.
Pop the hood.
Okay. There's an STI intercooler. A bunch of pipes.
A bunch of pipes.
Yeah.
Original color?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
2.5.
Woo! Okay. Oh, look at this wiener.
Slow down now.
Yeah. Okay, this thing moves.
Family wagon, you know?
Yeah, so Jared says it has around 280 to the wheel. So not bad. STI intercooler and just a axle back. Or a cat back, sorry.
So anyways, like, yeah, last night, this used to be silver.
Oh, you painted it last night?
Yeah, I put it on the tongue. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good.
So you remember guys, this is Jared. He's been long gone because he's now in San Diego. He takes good photos, so make sure to follow him. I'll put his name down below. jarod.foto with a F. But they're basically gonna keep it the way it is. It's just a grocery getter, a daily driver, a family wagon. And the thing moves. It's got like 280, so it's no slouch. Just short gears, right?
Yeah.
He's recording.
What's up, guys? Did you shoot a video? Yeah. Yeah. It's good light. Just picked up the
Thank you.
Kind of cool spot. I can move it if it's in the way. Oh, yeah, actually, like, do like Serena to pick everything up. Yeah? That's how I'm in the ground place. Yeah, they're pretty rare out here. What year is this? 2005. Yeah. So it's a turbo 5-speed. We got unicorns. Where's those? Yeah? It was from those are STI Brimbos. They barely fit these rims. Yeah. So, close. socks.
Jared's in trouble. Jared's in trouble.
Oh man. Looks sick. Man, I wish I brought my better car out. Just wagon.
Hey, wait.
Where you go?
What?
Get it right now with the rear view.
I don't think you can see it.
Oh, can you get it in your side mirror?
No, because you're blocking me. Oh, his lights are off. Dude, this cop is chill. Shout out to what's Cupertino PD.
Deanne's a PD.
Well, he said he's Cupertino.
Is he?
He's Cupertino. He just comes here because they pay him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so he's Cupertino PD, but they tell him, or they pay him to come here to make sure the school's safe.
Sketch.
There's no one in there.
Really?
Is there someone? There's no one in there.
Oh, dude, they drove in earlier.
Huh? He's narcotics, so he'll bust him. This cop is chill, dude. I wish all cops were like this. So he was telling me all CHP officers bust you for the little things. So he said some of them are nice. The guys he knows are nice, but there are those ones that would just bust you for every little nitpicky thing. So that's good to know. He likes Jared's car, he likes my car. Maybe one day Jared and I will come back. He told us the hours he works, not gonna say it publicly on the video, but we might come back. Yeah, you better do a 3-second stop. 1, 2, 3.
I don't think I drove back there, actually.
You went through the stop sign?
I think so.
Stressful? But he's following you, Jared. The cop's following you. Alright, I'm gonna stop till we get repositioned.
No, like this. Oh gosh. Rip Rooney! Oh no, 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 no!
Bro, this is sick.